DJI has just dropped the Osmo Pocket 4, and trust me, it's making serious waves in the creator world. A camera this small with professional-level power sounds almost too good to be true, but is it really the game-changer DJI claims it to be? Today on GadgetVerse, we're diving deep into everything this tiny powerhouse has to offer. Camera performance. First things first. Performance. The Pocket 4 shoots crisp 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, with incredible sharpness and detail, especially in daylight. Colors pop naturally without going overboard, so footage looks cinematic right out of the camera. Low-light shooting? Much improved. Less grain, clearer details, and better performance indoors or at twilight. And that legendary 3-axis gimbal? Still rock solid? Even when you're walking or filming on the move, your shots stay buttery smooth. Autofocus is snappy, exposure transitions are quick, and it just feels reliable. Battery life. Now let's talk endurance. The Pocket 4's upgraded battery makes a huge difference. You can vlog, shoot cinematic sequences, or record events for hours without stress. And when it does run out, charging is surprisingly fast, so downtime stays minimal. It strikes a perfect balance between portability and stamina, design and build quality. On the design front, DJI has leveled up. The Pocket 4 is still sleek and pocket-friendly, but now features a brighter, larger display that's easier to see outdoors. The body feels sturdier, built with better materials, and the ergonomics are refined for long shooting sessions. The gimbal itself is stronger too, giving you extra confidence in tough conditions. Stabilization and tracking. Speaking of the gimbal, this is where things get even more exciting. The upgraded stabilization system combines hardware and smarter software to keep your shots smooth, even with fast movements. Active track has been improved as well, so whether you're filming yourself or someone else, the subject stays perfectly framed and steady. User experience. The overall experience is shaping up to be seamless. A brighter OLED display, smarter shooting modes, better audio, and longer battery life, all working together to make filming feel effortless. Whether you're a vlogger, filmmaker, or just love capturing life on the go, this camera aims to simplify everything while boosting creativity. Release date and rumors. Now, what about availability? Based on DJI's 3-year release cycle, leaks suggest the Pocket 4 could land in late 2025 or early 2026. While that's not official, industry watchers strongly expect a 2026 release unless DJI surprises us earlier. Conclusion and call to action. So, is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 the best pocket camera yet? With its upgraded imaging, smarter stabilization, longer battery life, and pro-level features in such a tiny body, it's definitely looking like a compact powerhouse. That's all for today's deep dive on GadgetVerse. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews, guides, and gear breakdowns. Until next time. Keep creating, keep innovating, and keep pushing your vision forward.